The Ticketmaster "Pardon the Interruption" error is one of the most frustrating obstacles ticket buyers face today. This error message appears as a security measure when Ticketmaster's systems detect unusual traffic patterns or potential automated bot activity. This error commonly appears during major ticket releases for high-demand events. Whether you're trying to buy concert tickets, sports event passes, or theater show seats, the system becomes especially sensitive during these peak traffic periods. Ticketmaster's security systems flag several types of suspicious activity. These include multiple users sharing the same IP address, browser cookie or cache issues, detection of VPN or proxy services, and suspected rapid clicking or automated behavior. Behind the scenes, Ticketmaster uses a sophisticated virtual waiting room system to manage high traffic volumes. Advanced algorithms continuously analyze user behavior to identify and block suspected automated purchasing attempts, protecting genuine customers from bot competition. The frequency of this error has increased dramatically in recent years. Since 2022, error rates have jumped by approximately 40% due to three main factors: enhanced security measures, increased bot activity, and growing demand for live events following the pandemic. Understanding these triggers and system behaviors is the crucial first step in effectively troubleshooting the "Pardon the Interruption" error. By recognizing what causes the security system to activate, users can better prepare their approach to purchasing tickets successfully. When you encounter the "Pardon the Interruption" error on Ticketmaster, there are several proven troubleshooting steps that can help you get back on track. Let's walk through the most effective solutions. The first and most important step is clearing your browser data. This includes cookies, cache, and browsing history that may be interfering with Ticketmaster's security systems. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers and security extensions, can interfere with Ticketmaster's systems. Temporarily disable these extensions before attempting to purchase tickets. Network issues are a common cause of this error. Disable any VPN or proxy services, as Ticketmaster's security systems often flag these as suspicious activity. If network switching doesn't help, try restarting your router or modem. This can resolve IP-related issues that trigger Ticketmaster's security measures. Using an updated browser is crucial. Chrome, Safari, and Firefox work best with Ticketmaster. Make sure you're running the latest version and have JavaScript enabled. Account-related issues can also trigger this error. Log out of your Ticketmaster account completely, then log back in. Verify that all your account information is current and accurate. Prevention is key to avoiding this error in the future. Join verified fan programs when available, as these users experience significantly fewer errors. Avoid excessive clicking or refreshing while in the queue. As of 2025, mobile app users report significantly fewer issues than web browser users. If you continue experiencing problems on desktop, try switching to the Ticketmaster mobile app for better success rates. By following these troubleshooting steps systematically, clearing browser data, managing extensions, optimizing your network connection, and using the right browser or mobile app, you can significantly improve your chances of successfully purchasing tickets on Ticketmaster without encountering the "Pardon the Interruption" error.